Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Barbie, Chelsea doll, and playset. And it has Barbie dough. We found this playset at Walmart for $19.97. It looks like a cute little farmer's market where you can go from the farm to the market. On the back of the box, it says Barbie doll and playset at the top. I wonder why they stopped putting the titles of the playsets on the boxes. But I'm just going to call it a farmer's market. There is a picture of all items included and some simple instructions at the top that show you how to work the garden. Look, you can make little apples on the tree. At the bottom, it shows other playsets that are in this collection. I saw these at Toy Fair and I am looking for them. Wow, there are a lot of Barbie dough playsets. Parent note, dough contains wheat. Safety tested, gentle, not edible. Now you gotta pay attention to the really fine print down at the bottom, which says, this product may stain or stick to some surfaces. Protect play area before use. Okay, you have been warned. Let's get this out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, we have Chelsea. She has the basic 5 points of articulation with movement at the head. Her head can turn from side to side. The arms can go forward and back, as well as the leg at the hip. Her top is molded to the body. You can see some vegetables and fruit on the front. She wears a denim print skirt with flowers and white shoes. And I can balance her on a flat surface so she can stand. She comes with a vegetable stand. It looks like a wooden box with shelving on the front and paperboard on the back. If you look into the shelves, you can see printed images of fruits and vegetables. However, it's very far back, so it's kind of dark. There is a little hook on the side, a small cash register, and a pink roof covering that has the same image that is on her shirt. This little stand is the perfect height for Chelsea. I like when the roof or umbrella is taller than the doll. Right now, Chelsea's farm stand is kind of empty, so we need a garden or a farm to grow some vegetables. Just gotta raise this piece right here, and now you can see the little garden. It has a cute little white fence in the front, then some bushes, and you can see the soil in the back. This is actually a Barbie dough press so that we can use the Barbie dough to make some vegetables. We have orange and green dough, a small red basket, a red shovel, a watering can so we can pretend to water our garden, and a potted apple tree. It has a blue pot with little apple hearts, and the back of the tree is hollow. Let's open up this Barbie dough and make some vegetables. There are instructions included, and they just show some pictures so you can see how to make the vegetables and use the garden press. The first thing we have to do is get some dough. I'm just gonna take a little bit of the green here, put the top back on so it doesn't dry out, and I roll the dough into a ball.
It's like a giant seed. I'm gonna go plant it in the garden.
Hold on, Chelsea. You need some orange too. Gotta make a quick little ball out of the orange and give it to Chelsea. Now we remove the soil, turn it over. I'll place the green right there and the orange right there. Now I have to put it back without them falling out. I think I did it. Yeah, okay, they're in the right spot. And then I press down to watch it grow.
Wait, you forgot to water them. The vegetables can't grow without water.
Maybe that's why my donut tree never grew. Okay, we are ready to do this. Here we go. Let's see, are our vegetables growing? Yay! Oh, that This is a little difficult. Yeah, there we go. That's as big as they're gonna get today.
It was difficult because you didn't follow the instructions. You're supposed to push this down to make the vegetables grow.
Oh, yeah, that would have been way easier. I probably should have read the instructions. Let's add a little more dough and try that again. This time using the press. And our vegetables are growing! Wow! That's amazing. Then use the shovel to remove them from the garden. Right now, my carrots look more like carrot sticks rather than farm fresh carrots. So I'm just gonna roll it at one end to give it that carrot shape. So cool! I have carrots! And I can place them in the little basket. Now let's get the lettuce. I think it's falling apart. I'm just gonna squish it together to help it keep its shape to make a little head of lettuce. That is going in my basket. Now Chelsea can carry the vegetables over to the farm stand and stock the shelves. For the apples, we need a little bit of green dough. We push it into the apple mold and then remove it very carefully to make an apple. Wow, my apple looks pretty sad. I have a lot of stuff on the sides. Let's try that again. This time, while it's still in the mold, I'm gonna try to make it like an apple shape on this side too, so that when I remove it, it's like just round. Okay, this one looks kind of like an apple, so oops, then I dropped it. Oh man, it's squished. Attempt number 3, I'm going to just press it until the excess dough squeezes out to the side. Then I can remove it. Then very carefully remove it. Yes! I think we did it! Yay! We made an apple! 1 down and no more to go. Our tree is only gonna make 1 apple. But let's check out the carrots and lettuce again.
Cool.
It is a lot of fun to use the dough with the dolls. However, it can get a little messy. I have like Barbie dough stuck under my nails. So make sure you clean the play area and your hands after use. And make sure you store the Play-Doh in the airtight containers so it doesn't dry out and you can use it again and again. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Chelsea's farm stand. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.